Hello guys, welcome to Tech Hub. In today's video I want to show you guys how to sell or withdraw your USDT from your Binance account to your mobile money account. Okay, so a lot of people have been contacting me on this matter on how they can sell their USDT. They say they have a lot of USDT in their Binance account, but they want to withdraw it to their Momo, their mobile money account in Ghana. So in this video I'll guide you all on how you can do this. Okay, and without wasting my time, let me go to my Binance account to show you guys how it is done. Okay, so first you need to open your Binance account, and if you are new to Binance, I'll leave the link in this video description for you guys to use it to register an account to join Binance so that you can start trading. Okay, so this is the dashboard of the platform, the Binance account. This is their Pro, Binance Pro. Okay, if your Binance interface is not like this, you can just click on this Binance logo over here. So when you click on this, then you click on Binance, you see Binance Pro. If your Binance is on light, you see Binance Pro over here. Then you click on the Pro. Okay, then you switch it to Pro because we won't be using the Binance Lite for this transaction. Okay, we'll be using the Binance Pro. This is the Binance Pro interface. Okay, so what you have to do now is to add your payment method. Since you have money in your Binance account and you want to withdraw it, you need to add your payment method. Also make sure you convert all your cryptos to USDT. If you, let's say you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, any cryptocurrency, just make sure you convert them all back to USDT and it will be easy for you. Okay, so first let's add a payment method. So you click on this Binance logo again, then we click on the settings. You can see settings icon over here. We click on that settings. Okay, then we scroll down to payments. Okay, so if you're in Ghana, your payments currency will be GHS. Okay, GHS. So we will click on this payment method. Okay, then we click on P2P payment method. Okay, so when you get to this place, you add the payment method you want to use to receive your money when you withdraw it. Okay, you can see I've added a lot of payment method over here. So you can click on add a new payment method. Then you search for your payment method, whether MTN or Telecel. So if you want to use Telecel to receive your money, you just click on, you tap on here, then you search for Telecel. You can see Telecel Cash over here. So you click on Telecel Cash, then you enter your details. Okay, for your Telecel Cash. If you want to use MTN to receive the money too, you just search for MTN, you click on it, then you enter your details, then you save. Okay, so let's assume you've added your payment method like this. You can see I've added my payment method. So let me show you guys how you can withdraw your USDT to your Momo. Okay, so first let's go back to the interface again. Let's go back. Okay, so this is the dashboard as I said. And to withdraw money, first you need to click on this assets. You can see assets over here. Okay, so when you click on assets, make sure you transfer all your money from spot to funding. Okay, make sure you transfer all your money from the spot. You click on this transfer button, then you transfer the money, the USDT, from the spot to funding. Okay, so you need to make sure your money is in funding. Okay, you can see I have 7.99, yeah, because I'm using this amount to do the transaction for you guys to know how to withdraw your USDT to Cedis. Okay, so if your money is in funding right now, you just have to click on this P2P. Okay, you click on this P2P. You can see P2P over here, so you click on that P2P. But if you don't find funding over here, just come back to the dashboard and click on more. Okay, then search for P2P over here. So you search for P2P. Okay, you search for P2P over here, then you click on that P2P. Okay, so this is the P2P interface, and we will be using this P2P to withdraw the money to Cedis. Okay, so first you need to click on the sell button because we are selling the USDT. You click on this sell to switch it. Okay, then you click on this to select your payment method, the payment method you added. Okay, you click on that payment method, then you select, let's say you want to use Telecel to receive the money. You click on Telecel Cash, then you click on confirm. Okay, after that you just select a merchant. Okay, also make sure you tick this filter, then you turn this off. Okay, you turn this off, Yes, then you look for a merchant that you can sell your money. Okay, merchants, a lot of merchants have limits. You can see with this person you can sell from 1,000 cedis going. Maybe you don't have 1,000 cedis in your Binance account. With this person you can sell 100 cedis going. Okay, so this person you can sell 1,000, this person you can sell 100, this person you can sell 300 cedis, 500 cedis. So let's say you have less than 200 cedis or less than 150 cedis, you definitely go for this person. Okay, so let me sell to this salesman. Okay, the merchant is called salesman. Okay, with a rate of 15.84, meaning $1 I will get 15.84. okay, at the time of making this video. Okay, so this rate changes gradually. It can rise, it can drop. Yeah, so now let me click on the sell. Okay, so when you click on the sell, you see enter the amount you want to sell. Okay, when you click on this, the amount quantity will be in the crypto, and when you click on this, the amount quantity will be in your cedis, your country currency. Okay, so let's say I'm selling all the 8.9 USDT I have. I will get 140 cedis if I sell it. You see, you will receive 140. Okay, so if I am interested with this price, I'll just make sure my payment method is selected. Okay, if my payment method is not selected, I'll just choose it myself. Okay, this is telesell. Okay, so I'll just select the tele, because the merchant is only paying to telesell. Okay, so I'll select my telesell cash account, then I'll click on place order to withdraw this to my Momo. Okay, to this Momo account. Okay, I'll receive 140 cedis. Okay, so first I'll click on place order, and I'll click on yes, I acknowledge. Okay, so this is the new interface that will appear when you click on the place order. So what you have to do now is to click on chat to contact the merchant. Okay, so let me contact the merchant. Okay, so let me contact them. Yeah, let me skip all this. Okay, let me contact. So hello, I'm selling USDT. Okay, so I just send the merchant a message. Okay, so when he comes online, you can see he's even online, so he will check my message and make the order. Okay, so let's just wait for the merchant to reply or yes, do anything. Okay, so while we're waiting for the merchant just sent the money. You can see 140 cedis. Yeah, 140 cedis here. Okay, I just received the 140 cedis from the merchant, Richard Opoku Ventures. Okay, so let me proceed. Okay, so I'll just click on payment received. Okay, I'll click on this payment received. Then I will click on I have verified a payment of 140 has been received. Okay, so I'll click on this. Then I'll click on release crypto. Then I'll do my verification. Okay, and the transaction is successful. Okay, so I have sold 140 cedis. I sold $8.86, and that gave me 140 cedis. Okay, so when I go to my account, you can see this 140 cedis just reflected in my Momo account right now. This is my telesell cash account. 140 cedis just reflected. Okay, so guys, if this video helped you to sell or withdraw your USDT from your Binance account to your mobile money account, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.